This ETF will double leverage MicroStrategy's already leveraged exposure to Bitcoin, offering around 20x the volatility of the SPX. There are a plethora of ETFs for investors who are rather staid and risk-averse. And then there are a select few that cater to the veritable adrenaline junkies who live by the slogan "You only live once, YOLO," throwing every possible caution contained in Financial Investment 101 to the proverbial wind. As it happens, we might soon witness the launch of a holy grail of sorts investment vehicle for just such investors, the T-Rex 2X Long MSTR Daily Target ETF that aims to double leverage MicroStrategy's already leveraged exposure to Bitcoin. For the benefit of those who might not be aware, MicroStrategy is a data analytics company that has become famous for its leveraged holdings of Bitcoin. In fact, the MSTR stock now trades as a levered bet on Bitcoin itself. Eric Bakunas, at Eric Bakunas, June 27, 2024. Toward the end of June, the T-Rex Group filed an application with the SEC to launch the T-Rex 2X Long Daily Target ETF, which will aim to magnify MicroStrategy's daily gains or losses, mostly a function of Bitcoin's price action, by 200%. It is hardly a surprise, therefore, that this investment vehicle is expected to clinch the title of the most volatile ETF in the US, with the possibility of losing the entirety of one's principal if MSTR's stock price falls by over 50% in a single day. Eric Bakunas, at Eric Bakunas, July 8, 2024. The above X post highlights the T-Rex 2X Long MSTR ETF's expected 90-day volatility, which to no one's surprise, tops the list by a wide margin. Meanwhile, as most of our readers would know by now, Bitcoin has had a rough couple of days, courtesy of the oncoming closure of the much-delayed Mt. Gox saga. As we noted recently in a dedicated post, the Mt. Gox exchange had declared bankruptcy in 2014 after a devastating hack that resulted in a loss of around 850,000 BTC. In February 2023, some of the defunct exchange's largest creditors agreed to a Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash denominated transfers before the 31st of October, 2024. 47,228.73365683 BTC have been moved away from these addresses since funds were consolidated on May 30, 2024. $BTC hash Bitcoin hash MGX Mt. Gox 2024 0705 T07:02:09.483Z, Mt. Gox balance bot, at Mt. Gox balance bot, July 5, 2024. As per an agreement with MicroStrategy's, 5 crypto exchanges, including Bitstamp, now have to distribute a specific proportion of the overall BTC and BCH denominated compensation. As if this were not enough, the German government recently sold 5,000 bitcoins from its stash of around 50,000 BTC during a raid on the pirated content website Movie 2K. Only 18% of trading days have recorded a larger relative value, all of which are within euphoric bull market regimes. pic.twitter.com/strategmic2ml, Glassnode, at Glassnode, July 8, 2024. On a longer time frame, however, Bitcoin still remains in an uptrend. Consider the fact that Bitcoin holders' current unrealized profit per coin is 8.2x larger than the corresponding unrealized loss per coin. According to Glassnode, only 18% of trading days have recorded a larger relative value, all of which are within euphoric bull market regimes.